Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to another market content where I show you around the big markets in Nigeria where you can buy things at wholesale prices. And guys, in today's video, I am in this market where they sell filming equipment at the most affordable prices. Say you're a content creator, you're a vlogger, or you want to start content creation, you will find stores where you can buy ring lights, LED lights, tripod, microphone, vlogging kits, and more at the most affordable prices. And if you need a full description on how to get to this store, kindly watch my video on where to get makeup at wholesales. I will link it up here. Watch that video for the full description. The same direction on how to get here is the same direction on how to get to the makeup stores.
Came here to buy lights and tripod for content. So yeah, try to show you guys around a few things that you can get when you come to the market for filming. I think we have good prices compared to what I've been able to buy at Computer Village. So I think I'll actually recommend trade here. I'll be showing you a few stores and you'll also find their phone number and shop details in the description of the video.
Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also for all the details you need on the sellers, check the description of the video.
Hi guys, welcome to Glossy Cosmetics. Why are you laughing? They sell lots of accessories. If you are a content creator, TikToker, you want to be dancing in your videos, or you want to be doing Instagram videos, YouTube videos, they sell lights, they sell ring lights, they sell tripod, they sell boxes for makeup artists as well. They sell makeup, and I'll be showing you around the store with what you can get when you come around to the store. And don't mind that, she's still stressing me. I want to buy something, she's giving me a headache. But no, while she's going to give us wholesale price in this video. So yeah guys, happy shopping.
This is 22 inches ring light. This one is going for 22,000. This 18 inches. This one is 16,000 naira. This 12 inches RGB. RGB means the one that has colored lights. It comes with normal light and colored light. This one is 6,000 naira. This one is 16 inches. 16,000 naira. This one is also 16 inches. It comes with the normal 3 filter lights. This one is 15,000 naira. 13 inches. This is 6,500. 12 inches. This one is going for 5,000 naira. Very cheap. And this one is 10 inches RGB. RGB, the one that has colored lights. That's what I mean by RGB. This one is 5,000 naira. This is 10 inches. This is 4,000 naira only. All those prices I'm calling is with the stand, with the tripod stand. This is 14 inches adapter. Let me show you what it looks like inside. This is it. It comes with adapter. So you must use it with light. This one is not the one you use with power bank. This one must be with light.
But those smaller ones you can use with power bank.
Yes.
Okay. So the smaller ones you can use them with power bank, but that one must be with light. You must connect the adapter to a light.
This one is USB. This one is also 14 inches. You can use it with power bank. Then you can also, if you have your charger head, you can plug it to your charger head and put it directly to the light. But if there is no light, you use your power bank. This one is going for 8,000 naira only.
8,000.
Then this one is 11,000 naira. Then this one is 22 inches RGB. The biggest. This is the biggest. There is nothing like 23 inches or 24 inches. This is 22 inches. This is the biggest size of ring lights. This one is going for 23,000 naira only. So these tripod stands. We have these. I really don't know how many fits, but it has different sizes. This one is 7,000 naira wholesale price. This one is 7,500. This one is 11,000 naira.
This one is 11,000 naira. So I'm guessing according to the prices they are taller than each other.
Yes. This one is 14,000 naira.
This one is 14,000 naira.
14,000 naira. There is one that is bigger than this, but currently it's not available.
So she's about to show us how to set up your tripod when you're buying it. Kedu Odima. They are teaching me Igbo because I look like one. Okay, so this is the tripod. So you bring down all the legs depending on the height you want. This one is quite tall and is sturdy enough for you to, hold your phone camera or even a real camera. So this is it. This is what you need to do. And this is the part where you fix your phone holder or a camera. This one up here. So if you're going out to go and film, you want to go and instead of carrying the box, you can just carry with the hand. So all the ring lights comes with remote, yeah. Oh, not all. So she said 10 inches to 13 inches does not come with remote.
Double wireless microphone. You can use it for your videos, for your skits, whatever thing you want to use it for. Going for 9,000 naira. This is the single mic, one mic that is inside. This Type C. This iPhone.
Okay, so it works with both Type C and
iPhone.
iPhone.
This one is going for 7,000 naira. This I don't know if it's vlog light or I don't know what you guys call it though. But see, it is rechargeable.
Light that TikTok can now put on top of their phone, and it's rechargeable. Let's face it to something so you can see the way it brightens up. So this is it. You can change the different light filter. You can reduce it, increase it.
Then if you want to clip it,
So you
maybe
want
to
to clip it.
laptop or anything you want to clip it to.
So in case you are outside at night and you want to clip it on top of your
This is how it
phone.
is. See,
Okay. Which one is that one?
the phone holder.
Oh, the phone holder. Where do you screw the phone holder? Okay. Oh, nice. And this one is going for 12,000 naira only. Is that the last price?
Yes.
They said that's the last price. Let's say you are watching a movie or something and you need something to clip your phone so that you not stress your hand. You just want to drop it. Let me just clip it on something. This is the phone holder. To avoid stress in this life, everything is available for you. Does it clip to the surface?
You
just stand.
place
Oh,
it,
okay.
just place it.
Or all you need to do is place it on something and then you put your phone. And then you turn your phone into a mini TV for the whole world to watch a movie. How much is that one?
This one is just 2,000 naira.
Oh, she said this one is just 2,000 naira. So all you need is 2,000 naira to get a phone stand to hold your phone down when your baby is visiting and you have only your phone to show them movie. Put it on a phone stand and it becomes a TV. Okay. This one is camera rotation and it does a 360 rotation. This is it.
This is that's a but this one
Okay.
this one uses battery.
Oh, this one uses battery.
So you have to fix your battery here.
Where do you put the battery? Small battery. Okay, so you just put 3 of it.
Put it there.
Okay,
And then you're good.
and you're good. So all you need to do is put it on and then it start rotating.
It's just 9,000 naira.
So this one is just 9,000 naira. So this one is the RGB speaker.
Play
So if you want to play music, how loud is it? Let's show you. Is the color for me?
Sending the money, grab my phone, checking the money, start everything on.
And this is just going for 17,000 naira only. This thing you can get it online for 25k, 30k, but we are just selling for 17,000 naira only. This LED 416.
This one is LED 416.
416.
Okay.
This is the smallest LED light.
Smallest LED light.
It uses battery to power.
How many battery?
Just one.
Just one
Complete
battery.
set. This is the battery. It comes with one battery. This is the charger for the battery.
That's the battery charger.
Then these are what you connect to the tripod stand so that in case you want to bend it to very very bright, going for 17,000 naira. These your selfie stick.
Selfie stick.
It comes with 2 lights. Plug it here to charge. After that, you also do the same for the other side.
Side as well.
This is where you put your phone. It comes with a shutter.
It comes with a shutter as well. So if you put
So-
your phone and you want to be snapping yourself, you can just be pressing the shutter. So this is what it looks like when it is extended. So this is what it looks like extended, and in case you're filming like a sit down video, you can place this one in front of you. So this one is 5,000 naira. This one comes with only one light. You can always fix your phone. This one too comes with a small shutter. So you just connect it to your phone, connect it to the Bluetooth of your phone. This is a shutter. So I want us to check the length of the one on the floor. Oh, so this is the length of this one. How much is this one? So they say this is David, this is Saul. This one is just 3,000 naira. This small one on the floor is 3,000 naira. While the longer one is 5,000 naira. This is one of the content creator staple. When you're going out to film, when you're going to that restaurant, chakam, you put it in your bag and you're good to go. Very light and easy to undo. Over here we have another surface stick, but this one is long. Can literally serve as, a tripod. This one does not have light. It does have it. Long surface stick. Okay, so this is the charger. This is the light. The light even has mirror. That my own does not have mirror. It's just light. I bought one. I'll probably show you guys. This one is 7,500 naira. But I'll show you my own black variant of it. I also got it from here. That's it for your longer surface stick. This one is Z6D. And this is for 7,500 naira.
LED 800. This is the two batteries it comes with. This is the adapter in case you have light and you want to also use it. You just use it with the adapter. There's no need for the battery. This is it. On it. It's on already. This is it.
So you get without light.
800. This one is 30,000.
Last one.
30,000.
And it comes in a bag.
Comes in a bag. It's a bagging something.
It's a bagging something.
So this is what it looks like.
Smaller one is 600. You don't have that one. But this one is 660.
This is the adapter, the two batteries,
The two batteries
and the charger. This is the remote. Naira only.
So he said this is for 52,000 naira only. So guys, that's it for Glossy Mega Cosmetics, where you'll be able to get everything you need when it comes to light, tripod for microphone, and everything you need when it comes to content creation. See, it's still morning and I'm tired. Hi guys, so I am at the Empire's Beauty where my friend got our own ring light. I'm going to be showing you around and also adding the prices of some of those things. His contact, phone number, and shop address will be in the video. So this is size 10.
10 inches.
10 inches.
Yeah.
How much is this?
This is 4,000.
This one is 4,000.
Yeah.
That's the last price.
That's right.
So this small one, okay, uses USB cord. Okay, but together with the stand, 4,000. This one is 12 inches. How much is this?
5,000.
5,000 naira for the 12 inches. Okay, this one here is 14 inches. How much is this?
This is 8,500.
This one is 8,500 naira. This one is also 10 inches.
Yeah.
What's the difference between this one and the other one? This one goes for 3,800. So it's a bit cheaper than the other one, and the other one is a bit brighter than this one. 10 inches RGB, multiple color. This whole color. So for TikTokers looking for something that we're giving them color. This one is for you. Okay. How do you sell this one?
This one is 5,000.
This one is 5,000. 10 inches RGB ring light. 22 inches. How much is this one?
This one is 1,000.
This one is 21,000, but this one is 16 inches. This one goes for 18,000 naira. 16 inches. This is like 660. How much is this one?
This goes for 55,000.
55,000. What's the last price?
That's the best price.
That's the best price.
This is the battery.
Okay. This is the battery.
And this 660 is bigger and brighter than 600, 800.
But it's 800 better than 600.
Yeah. 800, brightness.
Okay.
This one is wider.
What's not the last price for this one?
This one. I'll go, if you go for 54,000.
4,000 naira last price. 600 and 800 is not here, right?
Yeah, 600, 800 is fine.
Okay, 623,000, 800.
800 goes for 29,000.
800 goes for 29,000.
Also has 12, 14, 18. The RGB.
Okay, for the RGB.
RGB,
Okay.
yes.
12, 14, 18.
Yeah,
How much is 12?
12 inches of the piece is 5,005.
5,005. What about 14?
14 inches is 9,500.
9,500
The
and
18 is 16,500.
18 is 16,500.
This is RGB. Can show you if you want. So that's the difference.
That's the difference
What is the difference between
between
RGB
and
and
the other one.
So that's the difference.
That's the difference
What is the difference between
between
RGB
and the other one. Stand for your light so you can easily connect it.
Adjust to any
To
level
any
you
length,
want.
so you can still adjust it to the length that you want. This is the stand and you can just put your light on it. So guys, you're going to find the details of the shop. This is the card. You're going to find the phone number, the address in the details. Hey guys, so I am in a store called Perfect Display and they sell ring lights, tripod and mic, things you literally need for content creation. You'll find their phone number and also shop address in the description of the video. So kindly check for all the details you need. It's a foldable stool. This one is 7,000 naira for the foldable stool. Over here they have the tripod. This one is 5 inches and this one is for 12,000 naira. This 5 inches tripod is for 12,000 naira. Over here they have the 6 inches tripod and this one is for 15,000 naira. The 6 inches tripod is a 7 inches tripod and this one is 17,000 naira. This one here is for 17. I also have this mic, this K9 mic. This one can be connected to Type C and also Android. And okay, so this one is for Type C and for Android, and this one is for two mic. This one is for 10,000 naira. While this one is a different type. This is what this one looks like. So it looks like all these. It's in a box like all these, AirPod, but it's a mic, and it also has two type. You can go for the one of iPhone, and you can also go for the one of Type C and Android. So you just connect it to your dress like the normal, what's it called? And this one is for 15,000 naira. We have several ring lights. They have from size 10 to size 22. So many different ring lights, and they have a lot of it in this store. They have a lot of it in this store. So many ring lights. This one is how RGB. So this is an 18 inches ring light. So they have different ones. So currently it says that only this is the 600 I think. So this is the Pro LED 600 for 22,000. So this one is a Pro LED 600 for 22,000 naira that is available. The 800 and the what's it called, and the 660 is not available. So this is also for people that do all these TikTok videos. Just a table live light holder. It has a light up here and also the phone holder. How much is this one again? Okay, this one is just 3,500 naira. So you can connect two phones, one on this end, one on this end, to this one, and it's just for 3,500 naira. Some things are not in this place because it won't be able to contain it, so they have it in the store. So when you ask for certain things that you cannot see inside of here, you're going to find it they are going to bring it for you in the store. But they have lots and lots and lots and lots of these things. Also outside they have the steamer. This one is special steamer. So if you want to come here to buy any of this, you are going to find their details in the description of the video.
Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you still haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so right away. Like this video, drop a comment, let me know what you want to see on my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.